Alright, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. We're in another apartment. We are doing, they had a dishwasher that was leaking. Let's turn this thing around. So we are doing a little water extraction. We don't do giant water extraction jobs. We just don't do that. So this dishwasher had a boo-boo or whatever you want to call it. They're getting ready to turn this apartment and it filled the dishwasher up and it run out on the floor, and obviously it went onto this thing. So what we normally come in and do first is we bring the typical just everyday carpet cleaning wand and we suck up the big part of it. And what you see in front of you right now is what we call a water claw. So I've been over this carpet 5 and 6 times with a regular wand, and it gets a lot of water out, but it doesn't get it as much as this water claw does. So you can see in top of this water claw, water comes out. You can see the hose actually jumping by pulling it out. So it's been sitting here for a few minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it. You see all the water coming up? So if I stand on this bad boy, and it gets a good super grip down on the carpet, it will literally suck water out of the padding and everything. So we take this water claw and we will work I'm headed toward that corner right there, because the corners are important. With this baseboard and stuff that's here, they just soak up and expand, and it's just the nature of water. It makes it expand. So what I'm going to try to do is get into this corner. We'll get all the way into the corner, step on that bad boy, just get it down so it's sucking on it, and just let it do its thing. You don't have to have a lot of pressure. It's just pulling water out of the carpet and the padding. So we will do this whole area. Let me back up here real quick. So here's the dishwasher over here. Obviously it comes right into this area and then slip underneath the carpet right here. So about right out to here, it's wet, and it goes in a big circle right into the corner, and all the wall back there had water on it. So we'll go down this wall and try to get it, and then we'll do another pass through here, and we'll just keep working our way back and forth until we get no water. And then we usually go one past it, but what that thing has a tendency to do is draw water towards it, because that's what it does, and it'll actually draw water over into parts that's already dry. So we got to be very careful with that. We don't do that. But that thing is called a water claw. I don't use it a whole lot, but it's well worth every penny because it makes my job tons easier. So if you got a water heater, if your dishwasher pukes on your floor with some nasty water, we can come in and clean that up. If you got a full-on flood water 2 inches deep in your apartment, and no, that's not Olmec Reflections. That is you can give us a call and we'll get you in contact with the people that you need to get that can do a full restoration. But anyway, what we're doing is water extraction, light water extraction today. So just want to make a video of it using the water claw. I'm Don. This is Olmec Reflections. We are a carpet cleaning floor restoration company. We do hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, VCT, strip and wax VCT. We do grout, clean and seal grout, slate, you name it, it's on the floor. Give us a call, 513-817-1700. If you see me out in my truck, I got a new truck, well labeled, toot your horn at me. All right, let me know that you see me. All right, guys, give us a call. See ya.